Guys, you're not going to believe this. This right here is the very first car I ever fucking painted. This is a 1970 Grand Coupe 318 Cuda. Okay, and I had a 446 back here and scared a lot of my friends today will remember this car because I scared the living shit out of them. I had a Dana 60 in it, 446 pack, 727 low stall, and this car terrorized my little town of Smyrna, Delaware. Yeah, the dog wants to play. Yeah, look at this dog, guys. This dog is carrying around a freaking block of wood. He wants to play. But Jared talked me out of it. Look at this. Well, 1122. Oh, are you kidding me?
Right, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
But Jared brought it back up here to PA, and he was rolling around the back roads with it. Him and his buddy loving on it. Came around the turn. Tell a story.
Dark, foggy. They just tarred and chipped the road, and there was a horse in the road, and I got it.
Came around the corner and fucking took the horse out. Got the fender, got a little bit of the windshield pillar, and the horse kicked him sideways and got a little bit of the quarter pan. But man, she is super fixable. Yup. Man, I had a lot of fun in this car. Shine that light there, Jared. Grand Coupe still there. Oh my God, the dash pad's still almost uncracked. Holy crap. This car was badass in her days. I can't wait to see Jared get it back on the road. Yeah. A true Grand Coupe. Yeah. Didn't have this little on it back then. And actually, you know what, Jared? I realized later in the years, because, you know, I was that Plymouth emblem. That's the wrong Plymouth emblem. It's supposed to be a little teeny thing. I think I came off like a truck. Huh. Like you know.
Trail duster or something.
Yep. But it was supposed to have a little one there, I'm pretty sure. Yep. But there she is, boys. The very first Cuda I ever painted, and you can still, look at this, guys. That paint's still polished right up, boy. Yep, I love it.
What year was it painted, do you think?
87. 87. Because Ashley was born and Karen was pregnant with Brittany. Yep, so it was 87, 88. Yep. I don't know. I'm too old now to even remember some of these years. And you know what? My daughter's going to be, Brittany watches my videos, and she's going to chime in real fast about what year it was. She's going to tell me right off the bat. But, yep. So badass, guys, huh? And he can't wait to get her done. He's waiting to, he's got a few things left in life to get him retired. And look at this fucking garage he's got. I'd kill for it. I'd kill for it. Look at all that machinery stuff over there, man. He's a machinist by trade. He went to school for machinist. Look at all that. Look at all this equipment he's got in here. Yep. Like most of us, we're waiting for waiting to get retired, waiting to get settled, you know, and going to start working in here. But this place was a fully operational machine shop in the 70s. And look at this building, man. I mean, he fit 20 cars in here with the machines. So we're getting ready to get on the road and go out and meet. We're going to go meet his father and his father's collection, which got him going into cars. And then we're going to go meet some more motorheads. So stay tuned, guys.